What's up, folks? How's it going? This is Avijit here, and welcome to DevOps Challenge Hub. So let's start with today's interview question. Let me share my screen. So today's interview question is, what is AWS CloudFront? And can you explain it with a simple example like Netflix hosting Mission Impossible in the US? So Mission Impossible movie, Netflix is hosting in the US server, and how AWS CloudFront will help. Can you explain the CloudFront concept using this example? So this is going to be interesting video, and I will with some examples I will explain the concepts. Also, I will show you a demo, and at the end there will be some quiz. So stay till the end, and you can participate in the quiz. So let's start. So what is AWS CloudFront? Can you explain it with a simple example like Netflix hosting Mission Impossible in the US? So let's say Mission Impossible movie, Netflix hosted in the US. So Netflix stores master copy of the Mission Impossible movie in the US data center. So original copy of the movie is stored in the US data center. That's the origin. That's called origin. Now user from India, China, Africa, Europe, they're trying to access that movie. So if there is no cloud front, so what will happen? Each request will go to US. It will travel all the way to US. So obviously there will be high latency, buffering, and may not be a good user experience. There will be poor experience because the request has to travel all the way to US from India, China, Europe, etc. Right, and there will lot of load on the server also. But if we enable CloudFront, AWS CloudFront, what it does, it caches the movie or its chunk in the edge location near the user, right? So if it is a HLS movie, it will be chunk based. If it is a MP4 movie, it will be whole movie. HLS, it's like a chunk based .ts files will be there. So it will be cached in the edge location. What is the edge location? That is the location or data center which is near to the user. For India, it may be Bombay, right? And this AWS, they have 600 edge locations. So user streams from the nearest edge, not from the US server. So there are these are the CloudFront concepts we'll discuss. Origin. Origin is the source of the content. So in this case, Netflix US data center is the origin or S3 bucket. So in the S3 bucket, you have kept the movie. That S3 bucket, we have said that this S3 bucket, we are creating CloudFront distribution, and S3 bucket content is available in the CloudFront. So CloudFront fetches the movie here only the first time. The first time, like when you are requesting, that time movie won't be available in the CloudFront. So it will be going to the origin. But after that, it will be kept in the CloudFront location. So for India, it will be like Mumbai location. Distribution. Netflix creates a CloudFront distribution for their movie library. It defines what are the things it defines. It defines origin. Like for this movie, what is the origin? What is the cache route? How long like it will be in the cache? Like we cannot keep it indefinitely. For some reason, let's say that movie you have updated the title, or there is some spelling error in the subtitle. You have corrected it. Netflix they have corrected it. So that should be reflected to the user. If the cache rule, like if it is a cache for 1 month, so after 1 month it will be visible, right? So they will say like how often it should take, like after how many days or how many hours cache will become invalid. Cache rules. Then security settings and global availability. Security settings like not every user will be able to access, right? Whether it's a public URL, whether there should be authentication token, etc. And global availability, whether it's available that movie, whether this particular movie is available from India or not. Edge location. CloudFront has 600 plus edge servers worldwide. Mumbai, Beijing, Johannesburg, etc. When someone from India requests that movie, Mission Impossible, CloudFront serves it from the Mumbai edge location. If not cached in Mumbai, CloudFront fetches from US origin. Caches it in the Mumbai for future users. Cache and caching behavior. What are the cache and caching behavior? First users in India request Mumbai edge, miss, not cached. There will be miss, cache hit. The cache won't be hit, so it's a miss. CloudFront fetches moving from US, caches in Mumbai. Second user in India requests Mumbai edge hit. There is a cache hit. So Mumbai movie streams immediately. Then we have concept of cache expiration, TTL, time to leave. TTL is time to leave. So content does not stay cached forever. Netflix sets TTL equal to 24 hours. After 24 hours, CloudFront again check again. So this is in the cache. Like if it is a like 24 hours back it fetched, then it is not going to use that movie. It is going to again fetch it. Maybe some subtitles updated, maybe something else movie poster or some image got updated, right? So keep cache refresh. It should not serve the old stale content. That is the idea. Invalidation. What is the invalidation? Suppose Netflix fixes a subtitle error in Mission Impossible. So they can issue CloudFront invalidation request, clear old cache copies at all edges. So that request will be broadcasted and all edges it will be cleaned up. And it will be new copies will be fixed because users should not be some serial content. Next request, edges fetch updated version from US only. That is invalidation. Then security. Security CloudFront supports HTTPS, so the movie is securely synced. HTTPS, signed URL cookies, only paying Netflix customer can access. Right? Only paying Netflix customer will be able to access signed URLs or cookies. Geo restriction, block the movie in countries without license. Some movies they have seen that not available in India. It's available only in US or Europe. So those movies won't be served. Compression and optimization. CloudFront can compress optimize data for faster delivery. Example, Mission Impossible has poster images. CloudFront can compress them before sending. So they can compress it before sending. So this feature is also available in the CloudFront. High availability. If US origin is down, CloudFront can be configured with backup origin. So instead of US, it can go to pick up the file from EU data center. So that is also possible for the high availability. Ensures users still get the movie. So this is the flow. User India opens Netflix, clicks Mission Impossible, CloudFront routes request to Mumbai. If cache miss, it fetches the from US origin, stores in Mumbai, and Netflix users in India get cached from Mumbai edge. And after TTL Express, CloudFront rejects US origin and ensures placement. Before we go to the next question, let's have a look at the demo. And this demo is contributed by Avantika. Let's see what she has done.
Now let's start with this analogy of the S3 bucket plus CloudFront. I have my S3 bucket here, which can be considered as the main warehouse where all my files are stored. And the CloudFront can be a network of many warehouses around the world. So what it does is makes the connection, or instead of going back to the main warehouse always, we have a copy nearby, which makes it easier, like faster loading, lower S3 cost, and there is global distribution as well. To explain it easily, we can say that the user gets the image or an HTML page from the nearest CloudFront edge location. But if the cache doesn't have it, then we go to the S3 bucket. But after it is called once, the value, the copy of it is stored in the CloudFront, so that whenever we call it again, it can be easily loaded from the CloudFront. Now, my first step will be creating the S3 bucket over here. So I've already created my S3 bucket. Now, after that, I have also uploaded an image over here. Then I will go to my CloudFront.
So uploaded one image.
Now, how I'll go to my CloudFront is by going over here. In my CloudFront, I will create a distribution. Now I'll be selecting a name. And distribution type is single website, and custom domain is optional. Then next, origin type is S3, and I'll browse this over here, choose this one. After this, I will make sure, okay, this is also fine. Next, do not enable. Origin is okay. I think I will save the changes over here and create the distribution. After that is done, I will just keep all the defaults and save this over here. Now we have created this distribution successfully. And for this, we will we have a distribution domain name, and it's deploying. After it's deploying, we can access the file via some domain, the website. we should wait for it.
Yeah, this deployment will take time. Why? Because it is going to copy into all the edge locations. From that S3 bucket is going to copy to all edge locations, so it's going to take some time.
So now we can see that it has been deployed. Now we can go to the website. We can do this by copying this, going to a new page and pasting this and selecting the file name. And here you go, we have the file over here.
So she is accessing that file using CloudFront URL.
Now this usually happens behind the scenes. We can go to Cloud Shell. Now I've already pressed on Cloud Shell and given a couple of commands. So now what this does is checks what happens behind the scenes.
So you can see that it's call -I https CloudFront URL /cat.gpt. So this call command got executed, and it will show cache hit or cache miss. You can see that cache miss from the CloudFront. So initially it missed it. First time it will miss it because it's not there in the cloud front, for the particular user, and next it will be cached.
So in our when the first time we go to this website, we can see there is a miss from CloudFront as it directly takes from the S3 bucket. Now when I run it again, if I go to the website again, go to it again, it will take from the CloudFront.
Yeah, you can see that hit from CloudFront is cached. And here is cache miss from the CloudFront. Here, hit from the CloudFront. So second time it's there.
Not from the S3, which is why there is a hit from CloudFront over here. I've already gone to the website twice. So in the first time, it shows a miss from CloudFront. And in the second time,
so you can run this command call -I and https CloudFront URL /cat.gpt, and you will be able to see. Or from network tab also, you can browse the network tab also, you will be able to see hit or miss, cache hit or cache miss.
Was a hit from CloudFront. So that's how the CloudFront works, and what it does, it takes from the edge locations to make it much more easier for us.
Okay. So now let's go to the second question. What is AWS CloudFront and how does it improve content delivery and performance for a DevOps pipeline? Yeah, so we discussed CloudFront. It's a CDN, Cloud Delivery Network, Content Delivery Network, CDN, Content Delivery Network service that caches content at edge location. So AWS CloudFront is a content delivery network that caches content at edge location across the globe. So instead of every request going back to the origin server, CloudFront serves content from the nearest edge. So reducing latency and improve user experience. Content delivery service caches content at the edge location instead of every request going to the origin server. CloudFront serves content from the nearest edge, reducing latency and improving user experience. How it helps DevOps pipeline? So when you are deploying app, so CloudFront ensures that new version available delivered quickly and reliably. So if some user is trying to access from India, you have deployed app in US location, so it will be slow. Like from India, that request is coming, but CloudFront will ensure it's available in the edge location Mumbai also. So it reduces load on the origin server, and it supports CI/CD pipeline. So after each deployment, we can do from CI/CD deployment, we can trigger cache invalidation in CloudFront. As a DevOps engineer, we'll be doing that. So if there is a question like, as a DevOps engineer, what will you do? So it will be triggering cache invalidation in CloudFront so that user gets the latest content. Because maybe you fix something, maybe you have updated the subtitle of the movie, or updated the web page, or updated some image. And so you want user to get the latest copy, not the old stale content from the CloudFront. So suppose you release a new version of your web app using code pipeline without CloudFront, users in the US may hit Indian server and experience the high latency. With CloudFront, their request goes to nearest US edge location, lower latency, faster delivery. So for DevOps engineer, CloudFront, scalable performance, reduced operation overhead, better user experience. So we do cache invalidation in CloudFront after the deployment. Now let's go to the quiz section. You can pause the video and try to answer. In AWS CloudFront, what is the origin? Nearest edge location, origin of the content. Origin is original source of content. That is, answer is B. What does the CloudFront distribution define? The cache flow, edge location, or it depends origin, cache behavior, security, global availability. These four things it depends. Origin, cache behavior, security, and global availability. Answer is C. What happens when first users in India request a movie that is not yet cast in Mumbai? Because the answer is C. CloudFront pitches from US origin and caches it in Mumbai. You can pause the video and try to answer. If Netflix sets CTL equal to 24 hours for a movie, what happens after 24 hours? CloudFront rejects the origin for update. After 24 hours, CloudFront rejects the origin for the update. Answer is B. Netflix switches subtitle in Mission Impossible. How can they ensure users get the updated version immediately? If they want users to get the updated version immediately, then what they should do? They can wait till the cache expires after because the TTL will expire after some time. But if they want immediately all the users to get it, they will do CloudFront invalidation request. CloudFront invalidation request. The answer is B. Which of the following is not security features of CloudFront? It depends. Find your Google geo restriction, automatic user password reset. So this is not the security feature of CloudFront. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow my page LinkedIn. DevOps Challenge Hub LinkedIn page. I post quiz contest daily, and you can participate in that. And you can also follow WhatsApp this WhatsApp community. You will find the link down below in this YouTube video. And it's not channel. I have upgraded to community, and it's like your numbers will be private. Others won't be able to see. And I post jobs and other career tips, interview tips, etc. So follow this community. Thank you for watching this video, and see you again in the next video.